discussion. So I have here already a sample of a sales report, but automatically this is not the proper sales report that we have. What I try to show here is how we're going to compute, the example. If I want to buy a pencil with an amount of 5 pesos and I have 15 pieces, so what will be the total amount? So the first thing that you need to do is, of course, you're going to create your, you need to close this first. So we create your table, so as we know that we need to go to create tab, then design table, where you can see this field name. So ita-type ka natin si product ID, name, price, quantity, total amount, cash, change. Now our data type is auto ng text, number, so on and so forth. After we're done that, you need to close this one, double click and try the input of following. So I already input a while ago 100. So you will not see here the total amount of computation, the cost and the change, because total amount and change will be done in query. So makikita lang natin is the product ID, the product name, price, quantity. And then after that, you need to save, close out natin, then go to query computations. So we're going to do that. We need to go to create and then query design. So as you can see, there is a table that will pop up. I'm not going to click add. What I'm going to do is double click this. I have one table, which is the TBI underscore products. So done, close lang. Then what you're going to do is you need to drag it here on the field one by one. So price, total, quantity, then total, then cash, and then change. On the total amount, as you can see here, design, as you can see here, we're going to type this computations, which is total underscore amount colon, and then bracket price times bracket quantity. And for the cash, we're going to input that one, and for the change, of course, that is cash minus the total amount that you're going to pay for a certain what we call that, things na ibabay mo. Then click the run so that you can go here. As you can see, every time you change, example, the price of pencil is 11 pesos and you have quantity of 15, automatically the amount should be changed. Okay, so same with the notebook. Example, the price of your notebook is 20 and you have to buy 20 pieces of it. It will change into 4. Then save lang po natin. Go with the form. So I'll drag this one from my table a while ago. My table products, then record source, then add existing. I'll just get the product ID, product name, price, quantity, but the total, the cash also, but the total amount and the change comes from the query. So we're not going to drag this yet. So this is the thing that you need to drag on your form. What if, ma'am, I'm going to close this one. So I'm going to use that really close lang natin. No lang, kasi just only an example. So what we're going to do is click the form, go back with the design, go to property, the property, click the form itself, and click the record source, which is the computation that we have done. And then query computation, then add existing. We're going to drag this total amount here and the change, of course. And then save it. Let us try to run it again. So you have, example, you have your total amount is 165 and you have 200 pesos. And there you go. So that is one way to compute, guys, the sales that you're going to do in your project is finals. And that's it.